going on, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. We're dealing with a lot of fog here, but we'll get out of the fog in just a second. So for this video, I'm making this video, but it's a little bit premature. You know, I placed an order for the M1000RR on my local dealership, San Francisco BMW. I'm number 3 in line, so I'm pretty excited to be up there a little bit. San Jose, I heard they had 8 already on file, so I'm not gonna put my name down to be number 9. I don't think I have a very high chance of getting it at that at that scenario. So right now, number 3. So a little bit of brief history. I did own a 2014, a 2016, 2018 S1000RR premiums. I didn't get the 2020 because I held off on that. If you're following me on my channel, I did a review of the 2020 S1000RR when it came out. I did a street level review, and then I did the BMW Motorrad and California Superbike S1000RR experience, where I rode the 2020 S1000RRs at the track, Thunder Hill. So that one was a pretty good experience to experience the bike on all scenarios, street, you know, freeways and track days. You know, gave me a whole lot of insight on how the bike rides and, you know, how to live with it. So, you know, I commented about the power being lackluster in the mid-range and things like that because of emissions, and they really give that bike, which is very unfortunate. So I held off on getting that bike for, you know, until now, which is luckily that they announced the M1000RR before I gave in. I mean, I did have the Super Duke, so, but anyway, I was debating about, you know, I was comparing that and the V4R, because I'm really considering the V4R lately, since you know, even after they updated it for the 2020 model, they updated the looks and they updated the internals, mechanicals of the bike. Really considered that bike, but good thing I delayed. I kept delaying because I wasn't sure. Just something just don't feel right about the V4R, even though it's like a 9 out of 10 to me. So, and the M1000RR, you know, I'm a sucker for BMW. I love the S1000RR line. Initially, when I saw the facelift of the S1000RR, I was kind of like, oh man. But you know, but they're all about, BMW is all about function over form, you know. That's always my impression of the motorcycle. So I can't fault them for staying true to that. And the bike, I had a 2018 S1000RR fully modified, right? You know, you can check my previous videos. I had it fully decked out. You know, I have full race exhaust on there, a tune. I have a auto tune, a piggyback that auto tunes itself, and you know, race air filter. I did the whole thing. I did a whole video about that too. But as soon as I rode that stock 2020 S1000RR on the street and on the track, so the bike was much lighter. Well, the M package with the carbon wheels, much lighter, and it's just so nimble on the turns. So I mean, mine had almost, I would say, equal power, if not. But just as a package, right, the new one is just much better. It's a much better motorcycle. Imagine if you modified that bike too. So I just didn't want to have to modify my bike, about, you know, because knowing that it's already in the ECU level that you have to flash the bike, I just didn't want to have to modify the bike as soon as I get it because of that problem. So I think they addressed that issue. I think they have some updates for it already. I just, you know, I never kept up with it because yeah, I just never followed it through. But I think they already updated I think they have some updates. So anyway, the fog's gone. So right now, with all the specs that they showed for the M1000RR, it really got me interested, and I opted for the competition package as well. You only have one option choice anyway for the S1000RR, and that's either get the the competition package or not. So I mean, for a special bike like that, I opted to get the competition package for it. So There's no production dates or how many they're gonna produce. That's not sure. Everyone's saying 500 or 1,000, 6,000. I mean, it's a M model vehicle, you know. They don't restrict M model vehicles in terms, I don't know, maybe the motorcycle they will, but you know, in cars when they made M3s and M6, that's like a mass production vehicle. So I don't know how limited the bike will be, how hard it is to get. Am I actually gonna get one? I don't know all that, but you know, I put my name down on the list. I'm hoping they call me, being number 3. And I also opted for the competition package. I don't think the competition package is worth the money for a lot of people, because for some reason, okay, so over the years I've been ordering the premium package for the S1000RR. Premium package comes with the, I mean, for the 2016, 2018, the premium package comes with the forged wheels. So, and I've seen S1000RRs on the street without forged wheels. So every little savings, you know, some people, you know, they opt out for it. I mean, the forged wheel is so worth it for the price that you're gonna pay to add it on. And to get the forged wheels after the fact is, you know, it's not worth it, to be honest. I mean, it's a lot of money. So to get it from the factory, it's a much worth it investment. So I think so my point is opting for the competition package. Maybe I'm the only one that ordered that. So if the first competition package arrives and no one wants it, and if it's me, number 3, then I'll get it. I'm banking on that. You know, that's a one positive thing that I'm thinking of, but it's not gonna be here for until like 7 months or maybe 6 months. I don't know. It's not gonna be here this year for sure, or else they would have told me that. So yeah, just pretty excited about it. You know, it feels like I bought something, but I didn't. It's a premature thing. I mean, I'm pretty excited. I haven't been on an S1000R for quite a while. I sold it to get this bike last year, I think. So was that last year already? I think it was last year already. Yeah. So yeah, it's been a while. I held off on getting the S1000R, and you know, good thing I did. So now we're waiting on the M1000 if I can actually get one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that was insightful. If you are considering one, hopefully your dealer, you have good relationship with your dealer. I think I would like to say I have good relationship with San Francisco BMW. I bought so many motorcycles from them, but you know, but I'm not like, you know, I don't have priority. It's first come, first serve. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.